Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have another iPhone for you guys. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's got a damaged display. David will fix it for us. Right here, the display is cracked on the bottom area, and we are gonna replace it right away. We're gonna remove the two pentalobe screws near the charging port. This iPhone 14 Pro Max is very expensive, high value item, so it's good to have this reuse rather than thrown into the landfill. And we are going to install a new display for this one, and it's going to be good to go for years of use. We're going to remove the display. You can see at certain angles there's some cracks on the glass, which made it very unsafe for touch. So if you have a damaged display, it can cut your finger. The more you use it and the more it disintegrates, it's good to have it replaced right away. Yeah, although it will still be usable, but the long-term solution for that will be a new display. In comparison, the price of the replacement display for an iPhone 14 Pro Max is very negligible compared to the full price of the smartphone. So if you have a broken iPhone, just have it fixed rather than buying another iPhone, which is not good for your wallet and not good for the environment. Also, if you have files on an iPhone that you haven't backed up, it's gonna be messy and tricky to back up when you don't have a cloud service to back those photos up. This is our replacement display. We're gonna attach it. David, very quick on these repairs. Put back all the screws. Very positive that it's gonna be working right away. So here we are. It's gonna be a shorter video compared to our usual. It's gonna be the last one, and we'll test it out, see if it works. Well, we're just gonna close it up right away, so it's quick. I'm just gonna press it in, let the clips fall into place, and screw them back on. So if you're in need of a new display, new battery for your iPhone, visit Sydney CBD Repair Center. If you're not able to visit Sydney anytime soon, you can also mail in your broken smartphone. Even if you're outside of Australia, you can arrange the shipment. We receive it here in the shop. We fix your smartphone. Once we're done, we are gonna send it back to you via post. And just like this iPhone 14 Pro Max, you'll be reunited with a fully working iPhone 14 Pro Max. We have already tested this, so we'll just install a free tempered glass on this one. We're going to clean up this new display. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, if you're enjoying these types of content. We release new videos every day, so if you're into screen replacement, technology, smartphone repair, definitely leave us a subscription or leave us a like. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And we are done with this one. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.